In the last video, I explained the mechanism of the filtration process. Yes, here I am going to explain about the filters, classification of the filter. Filter is the unit used for the filtration process. Mainly it is classified into two types, gravity filters and pressure filter. The gravity filters again divided into the slow sand filters and rapid sand filter. The slow sand filter and the rapid sand filter. And some of the filter media used for the filtration process are sand, anthracite and garnet sand. The sand, it is the cheapest filter medium and it is widely used for a filtration process, and it should be free from clay, because if there is a presence of the clay in the water, if there is a presence of clay in the sand, the water become turbid due to the presence of the clay. So the sand should be free from clay and the suspended particles and organic matter. And the uniformity characteristics of the sand should be effective size. The effective size should be D60 and D10, and the uniformity coefficient Cu is equal to D60 by D10, and the specific gravity shall be in the range of 2.55 to 2.65. These are all the characteristics of the filter media. The size of the filter media for the slow sand filter varies from 0.2 to 0.3 mm, and for rapid sand filter 0.45 to 0.1 mm. And next, the uniformity coefficient 3 to 5 for slow sand and not less than 1.3, and it should not more than 1.7 in rapid sand filter. And here I am showing one of the diagram, and it is called as slow sand filter. And now I am going to explain the construction and working of the slow sand filter. And this is the diagram of a slow sand filter. The slow sand filters was the earliest type of a filter introduced in 1829. The slow sand filter are so called because the rate of filtration is very less when compared to a rapid sand filter. So it is called as slow sand filter. And some of the feature of the slow sand filter are: first is the enclosure tank, filter media and a base material. And this is the enclosure tank, the filter media, base material, and the under drain system. These are the elements of a slow sand filter. I'll repeat once again: enclosure tank, filter media, base material and under drain system. These are all the elements of a slow sand filter. The enclosure tank, it consists of an open watertight. It is a rectangular tank made with the masonry or concrete. It is a rectangular tank made with a masonry or concrete, and the bed slope is 1 in 100, and the depth of this tank vary from 2.5 to 3.5 meter. The depth of the tank may vary from 2.5 to 3.5 meter, and the surface area varies from 100 to 200 meter square. And next, the filter media. The filter media consists with the sand and the gravel. The filter media consists of sand about 90 to 110 centimeter in depth. The depth of this sand vary from 90 to 110 centimeter placed over a gravel of the effective size D10, and the sand varies from 0.2 to 0.4 mm.